On New Year's Eve, White Persian cat Misty's sneezes grant wishes in a shower of sparkles from her white fur. But she must learn to control this power before the neighborhood turns into one big dog bone. As wishes are granted, the neighborhood transforms in unexpected ways, leaving Misty worried about the consequences of her newfound magic. Determined to find a solution, Misty decides to practice keeping her magic in check, hoping to restore balance to her beloved neighborhood. Seeking guidance. Misty consults a wise owl, who teaches her the importance of calmness and control in harnessing her sparkly sneezes. With newfound confidence, Misty gathers her friends to showcase her controlled sneezes, transforming the neighborhood back into a magical winter wonderland. As the night unfolds, Misty realizes the true magic isn't just in the sparkles, but in the joy she brings to her friends and community. Finally, Misty settles down, feeling grateful for her friends and the love that surrounds her, proving that some wishes are meant to be shared.